Hello, Naturopathic Dr. Michelle Mussar coming to you from Advanced Women's Health Sudbury. Today I want to talk about how to prevent bloating, specifically over the holidays, but really in general, these rules apply always. And so, one, I really want to reinforce the importance between your stress response and your digestive system and how the two interrelate. Your body doesn't know the difference between being chased by a bear and you having an argument with a partner or your boss breathing down your neck. And in any of those situations, we can have a nervous response mounted, and you can essentially be in rest and digest or fight or flight at any given time, but you can't be in both at the same time. And if you're in that fight or flight response, it's not a great time to digest the berries you just ate or, fight infection. It's really about trying to fight the bear, run away from the bear in order to survive. And so inevitably we want to make sure that we're rested prior to eating and that we're in that calm state. Breathing exercises can be helpful amongst a number of other things, but ultimately making sure that we're in that state is really important. 2, we want to be thinking about our food prior to eating. We want to be salivating. We want digestive juices to be primed and to be released and things like that so that digestion is good to go. You want to make sure that you're chewing your food like 30 times between bites. 1, it helps to digest the food preemptively, but 2, again, it primes the digestive system. You want to be putting your fork down between bites. You want to make sure that you're breathing between bites. We want to stop eating when you start to feel full and then wait, because it takes a little bit of time for the brain to communicate, or for the stomach to communicate with the brain that you are feeling full, and we want to honor that and give it enough time for that to happen. If you're not full after the 10 minutes, then resume eating until that happens. We really want to honor comfortable fullness, and comfortable fullness is that you can feel a little bit distended but satisfied, no longer hungry, as a means of measuring whether we've had enough food. Bonus points if you want to do like bitters before meals, and like bitters can be bitter greens and kales. There are also bitter tinctures and supplements that can be helpful. They are not appropriate for all people, so if you have any questions, you should definitely reach out to your healthcare provider and go from there. But anyways, holiday tips on how to prevent bloat.